25 days of love and laughter. Memories we'll be keeping after. Family crafts and cozy dreams. Kerizii's world is full of gleams. So give this video a thumbs up too. Come and share, it's all for you. Subscribe and stay, don't miss a thing. Let's make the season shimmer and sing. It's Vlogmas with Keriziii.
Alright guys, okay, so first and foremost, I lost the fluffy ball, so I don't know how the audio sounds on this right now. If it sounds like crap, I sincerely apologize. Editing care, let me know if we should stop using this moving forward until we get back some fluffy bits. So right now I feel like this room has been like I don't feel like it represents like an emotional weight or something in my life, because I've been like avoiding it and just chucking things in here, and I just feel like it's like I need to clear it out so I can clear out whatever is inside me. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's just the energy or the vibe that I'm having. Like, yeah, this is what the room looks like, guys. Alright guys, I'm not kidding, like the room is messy. It's messy, it's messy, it's messy, it's messy. So I have some organizing to do. What about garbage bag, right, mans?
We're gonna go out 3 or 4.
Lol. Hot comb and comb. I can just put it in the suitcase now. But it's not things.
What's that?
Tagging slippers. I feel like every single time I unpack my suitcases, guys, I literally have to pack my suitcases again, and I feel like that's like my number one deterrent with unpacking suitcases, because literally this makes no sense.
It's actually open. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Open door. Yeah. Is me saying it for himself? Yeah.
I know you didn't sit down, but you know what?
It's kind of sure.
This is in there. Stuff in there.
Bags and bags and Shein bags. Let me see what's in that. Yeah.
What's the situation?
Guys, this with a little piece of skirt. This with like a fitted underpiece and a little piece of skirt. It's giving piece of skirt. But it could also give elegant and sophisticated or whatever.
That's not weird piece of skirt.
A piece of skirt. A piece of black and white skirt.
50th anniversary. Oh, sorry.
It's funny, I think this is my first time. I thought it was my first time actually.
Yeah.
Right there. I've always found their things to be a bit always view it like online as opposed to like in person.
Those need to be tailored.
At this point, Monday, it can't fit it though.
I don't think so, darling. What size is it? 12?
Large.
No, I don't think so. I can try it on, but I doubt it.
It probably might short body shirt. If it
It would definitely be short.
it would have been way too short. So I'm gonna get this tailored along with the Fashion Nova outfit.
You don't need size people.
No, because what happened was I had bought an outfit in a medium and it come here and it couldn't fit me. So I'm gonna go back and buy one in a large, and the rest of the story is history.
What the heck?
Here,
What's this?
garbage.
Are you saying gart?
I have a whole lot of white stuff in my closet, people.
Okay. A long time you have. No long time you have the dress here.
Yes,
A long time dresses?
yes.
Say. You know how long you have that dress here? Wow. End of an era, people. End of a real long, lengthy. Anyway.
Oh, it sounds like stressful. Like people, try to find better adjectives. This one can be thrown away. It's one of mommy old shirt them, but it's not a.
I'm surprised. Honestly, surprised you're throwing away mom's stuff.
It probably, you know what? It probably move over to my yard clothes, as opposed to like fancy going out clothes. Is that the white thing too?
What thing? No, apparently the birds are taking stuff on the hospital. There's one in the bathroom, on the window as well. Like, they won't take stuff on the house. One of them pooped like when I was coming out of the car one day. Like right where I would have walked. I'm like, are we threatening me or what's going on, crows? I'm like, I didn't try to run over near you. It's a draft I'm looking at. It must have blown, it must have.
You going to ever wear this corduroy thing Monday?
What corduroy thing? Honestly,
This brown corduroy thing.
honestly, it's one of the times I can definitely say I was peer pressured. One of the very few times.
This is the thing that Ruth got here.
Yes. Peer pressured people. Peer pressured.
You can donate it.
I'm not often peer pressured, but she wanted to buy this unnecessarily expensive piece of clothes.
But it's cute. You could wear it with like a white top.
It's cute, you know. But you babes, you don't. First of all, you don't like it. Let's just. She doesn't like it. She thinks she likes it.
Can you put some on? Let me see. You put some with a white shirt on it and come back. We're deciding for keeping her clothes.
Can I leave this shirt? Can I leave this shirt?
No, I said a white top specifically because the white going to clash with the brown automatically, man. Yeah. So put on a dirty white shirt. Me not understand. Like in the washing machine, babes. Lord. You don't like it?
You don't like it, babes. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I don't know about the shirt. I guess maybe I never really tried.
You're
to
okay
the
with
shirt.
it without the shirt?
That's how I tried it on. That's how it was bought.
Oh.
That's probably the peer pressuring part.
I like it with the shirt.
Okay.
I'm wondering, what would you wear on your foot?
Hell,
Like, what do you see? Like,
the idea
heels?
was just that was
Flat?
suggested or flats. Yeah, really and truly. I mean, I wouldn't mind if this just kind of. I don't think it would look as good.
no, it needs to flare.
Yeah.
Because flare fits you better.
Why are you looking at my fucking knees talking about flare?
That's
fits
what
and
I'm
that's
talking
you're so full
about.
of shit. Okay.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with my knees.
There's nothing wrong with your knees. They work. Is what's important.
I'll hear her sneak this in me though. She sneaked this in me for you. Thank you, babe.
Oh, this is your shirt.
Yes.
Look how much I got that shit white.
I don't know if I can wear it though. I just like the shirt. Pussy book. I'll get a strapless bra and upgrade my life.
No, I thought it was backless. I'm supposed to be like, if this shit is backless, I'm just putting slick bid right now.
Excuse you?
But
What?
it's not backless.
And if it were backless, so I couldn't keep my shirt. It
Like,
doesn't
it
need to
could've
be
been
practical.
Like, you're in an ice box. We get 2 weeks. If we're lucky, we'll get a whole month of summer. And if you have 10 outfits to wear,
That's not going to be what I'm saying.
Which is my concern. It's just like, okay, yeah, we have all these things, but like, we're not going to actually reach for. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I'm not done, so at least the floor is clean now. Yeah, I got rid of some clothes and I also cleared out the shoes in the closet. I mean, I wanted to have more space, but let's be for real, I don't need to fill it up with anything. Suitcases and stuff kind of organized. This needs to go in the car. Yeah. That's the bag with all the stuff that came out. And well, we still have the desk. I think the desk might be a task in and of itself, just because there's so much going on. And then once I clear out the desk, we can then look at like reorganizing or decorating the room. All right guys, so once all of this is complete, then we can look at what the room is going to be looking like, you know, thereafter, going forward, the energy of the space and all of that. Yeah, excited to see what it turns out. It turns into. I mean, honestly, I would like to fit a bed in here so that when we have guests over, they have somewhere to stay. Really, what I'm trying to say is that when my mom comes here, she has somewhere to stay, is really what I'm saying. Because I know her, she's going to want her own space and stuff like that. So, yeah, see if we can like trim things down so we can fit a bed in here somewhere. Interesting.